Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Just Fixing Stuff. On this episode here, I'm going to show you how to replace a set of wiper blades. It may seem like a normal standard thing that most people know how to do, but depending on the arm attachment, it can be quite difficult. And before I get into anything, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. And visit the channel for the full video. Anyway, back to the video. On this, I just actually picked up just a standard set of wiper blades. Always make sure to measure the size of your wiper blades so that you get the correct size for your vehicle. These ones I just picked up from Costco. They're just a standard set. They have a fairly decent product, and it's usually a pretty good price. So that's why I picked them up from there. Each one of these wiper blades will have typically a set of adapters. Now this one, as you can see, I'm just squeezing on the sides, lifting up and pulling it out. And this new adapter you can just pop right in there, and I'll show you the difference because sometimes these adapters can be a little tricky. On this one it has the letter C on it, and if you push it on the sides, pop it open, it actually will remove portion of that, and then now it's a different adapter. Don't ask me why they do it that way. Maybe just because it's simpler to package everything together like that, or it's more efficient to produce it like that. But either way, that's how it goes together, and you can find that on the user manual or the instructions booklet. Then from there, you simply just hook the back end in and then pop it forward, and there should be almost like a little nose clip that will hook over the top end of that wiper blade, allowing it to securely fit over the adaptation of the arm that has the wiper on it. For these things here, they can be a little bit trickier sometimes. Like this one here has a nose clip. Seems to be a little bit stuck on there, so I had to use a little bit of elbow grease in order to get it off of there. Just depending on if you're driving through like a mud bogs every day, or you're in the middle of the Arctic, well, it might be a little bit tougher to get your wiper blades off. But generally speaking, if you live in a relatively temperate climate, these things are fairly simple. It usually has some type of mechanism where you can push on the sides and it'll release a clip of some sort. And from there, it's just a matter of removing the old ones, finding the correct adapter for the new ones, making sure you have the correct size for them, for the wiper blade size, and then from there, just a matter of hooking them up. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. Once again, like and subscribe, please and thank you. And leave a comment in the comment section. And don't forget to visit the channel. Thanks.